The Slow Turtle. Once upon a time, there was a little turtle living in a quiet forest. She always walked very slowly, so slowly that everyone who saw her believed she would never reach anywhere in time. But despite her slowness, she carried a big dream in her heart: to reach a very far destination deep inside the forest, a goal that seemed impossible to many. In the same forest, there lived a very fast rabbit. He was famous for his speed and his ability to jump and dart between the trees in the blink of an eye. When he saw the turtle walking so slowly, he started at her and said, "Ha ha ha! You will never reach your goal. You are far too slow." The turtle did not feel embarrassed or sad because of the rabbit's words. She simply smiled gently and kept walking step by step. Meanwhile, the rabbit, full of pride and confidence, said to himself, "I will arrive first with no effort at all. This little turtle will never catch up with me." So the rabbit started the race, running with incredible speed, leaving the turtle far behind. But after a while, he felt tired and thought, "I am very fast. I can take a short rest. The turtle will never arrive before me." He lay down under a big tree and quickly fell asleep, certain that victory was his. The turtle, however, continued walking without stopping. Step by step, slowly but steadily, she was getting closer to her goal. Each small step brought her nearer to the finish line, teaching her that patience and persistence are more powerful than careless speed. While the rabbit slept in arrogance, the turtle kept moving forward. Finally, when the rabbit woke up and rushed toward the finish line, he was shocked to find the truth. The turtle had already arrived before him. She had won, thanks to her determination, patience, and steady progress. Moral of the story. This story teaches us that patience and hard work are more valuable than arrogance and overconfidence. It doesn't matter how fast you go. What matters is to move forward with determination, persistence, and a powerful mindset. Every small step takes you closer to your goal, proving that calm persistence is stronger and more powerful than any temporary speed. If you like this story, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Keep moving forward like our brave turtle and never give up.